2021, HogOn Welding presents to you HogOn Conversions. We're coming soon, and we're going to help you build your independence. So follow the website, www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. Hit me up on all our social media platforms, HogOn Welding, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Follow us. If you're trying to build your independence this year, this coming up year, you're trying to get your finances together so you can be independent. Let us help you build your independence. Let us help you build your mobile trap house. Yes, I said it just like that, a mobile trap house where you can make money. I'm from the hood, and I know exactly what it means to get that bag. So let me help you get your bag independently, because this is all of this. This is my storefront. This is my trap house. I can be able to get a bag. Don't worry about the feds. Don't worry about the police kicking in my door. I can do everything illegal, sell my products, do my services independently. And let me help you do it at HogOn Welding. Remember the website, www.hogonwelding.com, HogOn Welding Conversions.